Good morning students, how are you all? In today's class we are going to revise value education. So before that we will read the story so that you can able to answer the book back questions easily, okay? The topic of the story is forgiveness turns foes to friends. Once there was a boy named Mohit. He lived in a small town along with his parents. He was an intelligent and obedient boy. He was kind to everyone. Everyone loved him very much. But this thing caused jealousy in many other boys who wanted to be like Mohit. So there is a boy. What is the name of the boy? Very good. The name of the boy is Mohit. He is living in a small town with his parents. So how he is? He is very intelligent and obedient. And Mohit will be very kind and affectionate to everyone. So everyone loved him very much. So because of this, the other boys starts to get jealousy on Mohit because they wanted to be like Mohit. Kunal was Mohit's classmate. He was a very naughty boy and not at all good at studies and always wanted to play during school hours. He misbehaved with his parents, bullied his classmates and even ill-treated Mohit. So Kunal is a Mohit's classmate, okay? So he is very opposite to Mohit because Kunal is not a good boy. Okay, he is very naughty and he won't study good. Okay, he always wants to play during the school hours and he will misbehave with his parents. Bully means teasing. Okay, he will always used to tease his classmates and even ill-treated Mohit. So he always tried to put Mohit down and tried to let him down before other kids in the class. So he wants Mohit to be very down. Okay, he don't want him to be very good. He wanted him to be down. He wants that nobody should like Mohit. But in spite of this, Mohit's grades kept getting better and better. When whether in studies or in sports or with classmates, Mohit got appraisal from everyone. So even though Mohit started to being much more better and he studies very well and he he spoke to his classmates very good and everyone starts to praise him. Appraisal means praising. Okay, it was his birthday and Mohit got a nice pen as a gift from his father. So it was the day of his birthday. So his parents, his father gave his a pen as a gift, birthday gift. He brought it to the school next day so that he could use it. So what happened? Mohit brought the pen to his school to use the pen. When Kunal saw, he was very jealousy of Mohit. He asked Mohit, "Hey, where did you get that? Did you buy it?" So on seeing the pen, Kunal started to feel very jealousy because of that new pen. Okay, so he is asking to, "Did you buy this pen? Where did you get this?" "My parents gave it to me as a birthday gift," replied Mohit. So Mohit says that my parents presented me as a birthday gift. Kunal felt jealousy of him as he never got any present from his parents. He decided to steal Mohit's pen. So on hearing this, Kunal started to feel very jealousy because he didn't get this kind of gift from his parents. So he is deciding to steal the pen from his bag. During recess, when no one was in the class, Kunal opened Mohit's bag and took his pen from his pencil box. So during the break time, what happened? Everyone will go out of the class to go recess. So at the time, no one was there in the classroom. So he is going to the Mohit's place and he is taking his pen away from his pencil box. Then he kept it inside his bag and went out to have his lunch. So he is taking the pen. After that he is going to his lunch. Okay, when Mohit came back and could not find his pen, he informed his class teacher about it. The class teacher ordered the class monitor to search the bag of every student. So after the break, Mohit is searching for his pen everywhere. So after that he is going to his teacher and says that his pen was missing. So the teacher decided to search the pen from the student of every bag. She is ordering the class monitor to search the pen. The missing pen was found in Kunal's bag. and the teacher got angry with him. Kunal had tears in his eyes. He couldn't say anything. When Mohit saw Kunal crying, he took pity on him. The kind boy had no ill feeling against his classmates. So, at last, the pen was found in Kunal's bag. So, the teacher is very angry on Kunal because he has stole it from Mohit's bag. Kunal had tear in his eyes, so now Kunal starts to crying. Okay, he didn't say anything because he felt very bad. But Mohit took pity on him, and he says to the class teacher to leave him and not to punish him. He requested his class teacher not to take any action. He is saying that you should not give any punishment to him. This incident opened Kunal's eyes. He could now see what a good boy Mohit was. So, after this incident, Kunal started to realize that Mohit is a very good boy. He asked for forgiveness from his teacher and Mohit. So, what happened? Kunal is going to teacher and Mohit to ask sorry. From that day onwards, they both became friends, and gradually Kunal changed himself to be as good as Mohit. So from that day onwards, Kunal starts to get changed. Okay, he wants to be like Mohit. Everyone began to love him, and Mohit was now proud of his new friend. So he is a changed boy now, and everyone starts to love Kunal. So now Kunal and Mohit became very close friends, and Mohit starts to get proud of Kunal. Despite being hurt, Mohit gave him back only love. So what happened? Even though Kunal hurted him, Mohit showed only love to Kunal. This is how we also should treat our enemies. So we should not take revenge on our enemies. We should be like Mohit. Our good behavior may even change the heart of our enemies and make them our friends. So if we are affectionate and caring to our enemies, they will also become friends one day with us. So it will change them. So this is the story of anger may prove fatal. Shall we read the book back questions? Now it will be easy for you to answer the questions. Okay. Now we are going to read the choose the correct answer. So there will be 4 chooses, and each carries half mark and totally 2 marks. Which of the following qualities did Mohit have? The options are good at studies, obedient to his parents, more intelligent than others, all of these. So the answer is all of these. So Mohit is good at studies, and he is also obedient to his parents, and he is more intelligent than others. Which of the following is or are true about Kunal? He was not good at studies. He always wanted to play during school hours. He misbehaved with his parents. So these are all the characters of Kunal. So all of these is the correct option. What did Mohit get as a gift on his 10th birthday from his parents? The options are nice shirt, a nice storybook, a nice pen, a nice cap. So the correct option is a nice pen. Why did Kunal always want to put Mohit down? Because of jealousy, because of his personal enmity, because of Mohit's being rich, all of these. So the correct answer is because of jealousy. The next one is true or false. There will be 5 questions, and each question carries half mark and totally 2.5 marks. Kunal was loved by one and all. False. Kunal was not jealous of Mohit. False. Kunal was good in studies. False. Mohit was loved by all. True. Mohit was an intelligent and obedient boy. True. And the next one you are going to write is fill in the blanks with the correct word from the box. There will be 4 questions, and each carries half mark and totally 2 marks. The options are loud, good, jealous, misbehaved. Everyone loved him. Mohit was good at studies. Kunal misbehaved with his parents and others. Kunal always felt jealous. And the next one you are going to write is the missing letters. Okay, there will be 4 questions, and each carries half mark and totally 2 marks. The first one, classmates. CLASSMATES, classmates. The second one, naughty. NAUGHTY, naughty. The third one, jealousy. Jealousy, jealousy. The fourth one, misbehaved, misbehave, misbehaved. Fifth one, forgiveness, forgiveness, forgiveness. Sixth one, bullied, bullied. Seventh one, monitor, monitor, monitor. So any four words will be asked to fill the missing letters. Okay, classmates, naughty, jealousy, misbehave, forgiveness, bully, monitor. And the last one is match the following. Okay, the first one, Mohit, obedient boy, birthday gift, pen. Kunal, naughty boy, teacher ordered to search. Shall we read once again? Mohit, obedient boy, birthday gift, pen. Kunal, naughty boy, teacher ordered to search. So we have revised everything for your half-yearly examination. So totally you are going to write your exam for 10 marks. Okay, so do your exams well. Thank you.